In the first step, you add tournament information. Select the tournament date. Choose the time and number of rounds, as well as the tournament type. The program features a modern tiebreak system, where you can choose 4 of 14 modes. You can choose the tiebreak criteria as you wish. The most commonly used tiebreak system is set by default, but you can choose any you like. Select the player sorting method for the first round draw. In the next step, we register players for the tournament. When registering players, the program takes your choice into account and sorts players by order of arrival or by ELO rating, which is most commonly used. Once we have completed player registrations, the next step is to draw pairs. After each completed round, we enter the results. When all rounds have been played, click on the ranking table button, where the program will calculate and display the ranking of the players. We can also choose a graphical display of rankings. The program allows you to edit rankings if you want to change the order. The program allows you to automate data entry if you use it as the manager of your club. This option is selected in the Options menu and then Settings. Here you enter the tournament information that you add each time, and the program will add a number for each tournament. Mark that you want to use this option and finally save the settings. When we select a new tournament, this data will be automatically added. Let's enter the data for the next tournament. You can enter a name or select a club player. If you want the program to calculate ELO for club players, you must add club players. If the competitor has a rating, we add it or assign him a starting one. You can now select club players from the list. Now let's draw the pairs. After each completed round, we enter the results. When all rounds have been played, click on the ranking table button, where the program will calculate and display the ranking of the players. The list shows the old and new ELO obtained. Competitors are sorted by points, mutual score, and certain tiebreak parameters. If you want the program to save the new ELO for your club players, select the Save New ELO button. The data is saved, and in the next tournament, the program will automatically add the last achieved ELO of the selected player. If we click on the ELO button, a list of club players and their achieved ELO will be displayed. Once you have made the competition draw, and if there are any changes, you can easily correct them. Click on the Edit Tournament button and select the competition in the list. Click on the Delete Drawn Pairs button and delete the competition draw. Now you can make changes, and when you are finished, then make a new draw of pairs. Now we can add the next ranked tournament. Choose the time and number of rounds, as well as the tournament type. If we select a club player, the program will add his last achieved ELO. Now let's draw the pairs. After each completed round, we enter the results. When all rounds have been played, click on the Ranking Table button, where the program will calculate and display the ranking of the players. The program allows various statistical displays. And select a player from the list for a complete display. All rounds played and results are displayed, as well as the colors he had in a particular round. For a full analysis and results of each round, click on the Report button. The complete statistics of the selected tournament and the results of all rounds will be displayed. For information about the labels for tiebreak, click on the Legend button. It describes how the parameters are calculated and what the labels mean. From the program, you can print a blank table for a round-robin competition where you can specify the number of players. You can also print a Berger table for a selected number of competitors. We can also choose a graphical display of rankings. Let's see how we can find complete player and tournament statistics. Click on the Statistics button. If we want to view the performance of the competitors, click on the Classification Archived button. The program uses a system where for each achieved place, it gives points from 1 to 10 and then divides by the number of appearances. If we want to exclude some players from the list, click on the Exclude button. In the list, select which player you want to exclude from the display. A very useful feature is the display of player duels, where you can see the performance of a player against their opponents. Performance against each opponent is shown. You can also find all the achievements of the selected player. All his achievements are displayed and marked. Abbreviated statistics are also shown. The latest ELO of each player is also shown. The program automatically notifies you if there is a new version of the program. Before installing the new version, export your data and make a backup copy. When you install the new version, the list will be empty. You will need to import the data. Go to the Options menu and select Import Data. Now when we select Open Tournament, all saved data that you had before installing the new version will be displayed. The program also allows you to add players from the FIDE player register. If the list is empty, the program will ask you to download the latest FIDE list. To download the latest list, click on the Download Last Registry FIDE button. After the download is complete, select your federation or leave all selected where all players from the FIDE list will be downloaded. Finally, select Renew Data to Registry to have the program add players. Wait for the program to write the selected list. The process may take a few minutes, depending on what was selected. After the process is complete, all added players will be displayed in the table. Once the list is updated, we can now select a player from the registry. I wish you successful management of your tournaments and your club.